I'm Grian Sumasbang, and today I'm going to show you how to solve for an application problem for integral calculus. So first thing you want to do is to memorize the formula or the theorem used in solving integration, which is right there, that two, this and this, yeah, that two. In order for you to become an effective solver in calculus. Oh my god. Here is an example of an application problem for integral calculus or integration or integral. So it states that Sonia can paint at a rate of V of t is equal to 150 minus 40 square feet per hour, where t is the number of hours since she started painting. Now the question is, can Sonia paint the walls of a 12-foot by 12-foot office with an 8-foot high ceiling in 3 hours? What about the walls of a 14-foot by 14-foot office with an 8-foot high ceiling? Oh my god. So, the first thing we need to do is to figure out how many square feet Sonia can paint in 3 hours. Then for each office, we need to determine how many square feet there are to paint, and see if this is greater or smaller than the number of square feet Sonia can paint in 3 hours. Oh my god. So to find out how many square feet Sonia can paint in 3 hours, we integrate her rate of painting from time 0 hours to time 3 hours. So now, we will integrate Sonia's rate from time or t 0 hours to t 3 hours. First thing we need to do is to integrate this function, this derivative, and solve for its square foot. So the first thing we need to do is to integrate 150 and 40. So in order to do that, we need to do the 150 integration of 0 3, where t is raised to 0 because 150 has no variable, so we put 0 t raised to 0, which is equal to 1. Then minus, oh my god, what happened? 4 integration of 0 to 3, where your t, then dt. The next thing we want to do is to add 1. Follow the theorem, which I will put right here. Yeah, right there. So you have a guide. So 150 times t raised to 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 is close parenthesis. Oh my god. Minus 4 times t raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, close parenthesis, plus c, because c is a constant number. So we solve for it. It's 150 t minus 4 t squared over 2 plus c. Then we need to divide this 2 because it is divisible by 2. 4 is divisible by 2, so it's 150t minus 2t squared plus c. Oh no, forget the t, I forget the plus c, because it's an indefinite integration. So after we find the integration of Sonia's rate, we need to substitute the value of t's of these two times to the t. So we will follow the formula f of t, integration of b a is equal to f of b minus f of a. So we need to follow this formula or this theorem for us to know how many square foot that Sonia can paint in 3 hours. So we need to substitute the value of b and a in the value of t. So here it is 150 times 3 minus 2, 3 raised to 2 times, minus, just put parenthesis for us to know, it's 150 0 minus 2 times 0 squared. So the answer is 432 square foot. So that is the average square foot Sonia can finish in just 3 hours. Oh my god. So in the first office, it is 12 by 12 long, and it's 8 foot high, and the office has 4 walls, which we will multiply the 3, and it will result to 384 square foot, or square feet rather. Square feet. So as you can see, it's 384, and it is lesser than Sonia's average rate, which is 432 square feet rather. So Sonia can paint first office in less than 3 hours. Oh my god. So in the second office, we have 14 by 14 long times 8 foot high, and also the second office, it's multiply. Oh my god, it's multiply times 4, which is the office has 4 walls or sides. So we multiply that 3 together, and it will result to 448 square feet. Sorry about the noise, because I am in the public. So as you can see, there's the outside world, and here is our store, and I am here vlogging for our tutorial. So back to the topic. So in the second office, Sonia can paint the second office in just 3 hours, because it is greater than her average rate in painting in just 3 hours. So Sonia cannot paint in this one, but here is check. Here is Sonia cannot paint in just 3 hours. Oh my god. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for tuning in my vlog, and I hope you learned something from the tutorial. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss future videos. So that's all. See you next time. Power. Peace.